Hello guys, this course is about JavaFX. So before to start with JavaFX, I I think it is necessary to start with the fundamental, the Java itself, the basic. So now I would like to create the project. Okay, I will create some of the project I want to show you. I'm gonna show you from those projects. Okay, several concept of Java before to start with JavaFX. Okay, so now let us create our first project. Now, the first project you have to put on create. Everything you have to do, you can do it also using you can use in Sublime Text is for the fundamental. You can use it. By the way, we're gonna use first Sublime Text. Okay, I would say okay. Sublime Text is actually the language. Now I'm gonna create my project name, my first project name as I'm gonna show you what is going on now. So JavaFX. Let me put some other project here. Uh, Let us put it somewhere. Okay, this is the place. I'm gonna create another project here. So now I will create this project. I will call it YouTube. This is the this is the directory, and then I have to create another directory, subdirectory. Now I'll call it project 1. Now in project 1, let us call our first program first. My class will be first project. My class name is first project. Look at it very well. I say my class name is first project, and I will copy it because I will need it. First project dot Java, and I have to notify it here, and I have to put the real format of Java. Look for Java extension. Java extension. That is a Java extension. Then I was okay. Now I can say that is it. Okay, now first you have to say public class, the name of your class. That name is very important. It is now mandatory. You cannot put another name because of some of the reason I'm gonna show you or explain to you later on. But for a moment, you have to notice that the file name has to be as the name as the same as the name of your project, your class rather. Your class name has the name of your file name. Okay. Now this is the class. Okay. Now I would like to create another one. Will be public static void main, something like this. Okay, this class will be having string. This is the class. In Java, what you needed to put the name of your array x. You can change the name by them, but some of the times it's not necessary. You put it like this, and your first program will be this is the class. The class called system. Another class will be this system object out, and the method. I'm gonna call the method print ln is actually a method. my first project displayed on screen. Let's say that this. Now you already have the project. So my project name is here. Now I can now I can go straight in my can go on your projects. You guys can go on your project. Now you have the project name. You can go on this project. Go on the terminal, CMD. I'm using Windows, this is my project name. Okay, this is the project name. So I'm gonna invoke JavaFX. That is a command which will invoke the virtual machine. Okay, Java virtual machine, GVM. So Java virtual machine. So I'm gonna put this. That is the phase of generating the bytecode. So it's gonna generate the bytecode. Now, if you see now my project, look at this. The bytecode is now generated. Dot class, okay? And for me to run the bytecode, I can only say now to run it. I can run it by say okay. Now I can put this. It will run my program and display the project on the screen. So that is the project. My project is okay. This is the project that was displayed on the screen. That is displayed on the screen. The same way I can put this. If you wanna create it on Eclipse, you can say my project one. Let us say first project. No problem. First project. Okay. I say Java SE. Let us use this model. Maybe you can let it by default. It will take the name of the project. You can let it like this. Okay, by default. Click on finished. Okay, now since Java 9 they now using the model system. Okay, now you're gonna be using this on the JavaFX. So for the while I would like you to not pay attention on it. So now you have to create first the project code, no, the package. That is, you have to use it. You need to take advantage of packaging because it will organize your project. Now using now package formation kilo dot first project. It will take the name of a project. I will take the name of project. My project name, okay? It's no problem. First project. My first project. So now first project created. So now it is like my package. My package is created. Now I can also create a class. My class will be, I will call it the same name. No, not the same name. Not necessary. So I can say my first class, my first project. let us create a first project, capital letter. Okay, now you can put the endpoint so that I can execute my project. Now I have the project here. I can say, this is the class, and then that class will having the object, and the object will call the method. That method will display the message on the screen. I say my first project, my first Java project on Eclipse displayed. That is it. So the project is now ready to be run. So I can say, okay, now I can run it. Let me put this as though I say, okay, now I'll run it as an app. I say run. That is the message. You can put it like this. That is a message. Okay. Now that at the next video, I'm gonna show you another case in Java. So we're gonna move forward so that we can you know learn more about this beautiful language. So thank you guys. In the next video, thank you.